Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Sara Himani. Cold winds and rain bring a sudden end to warm spring weather in New South Wales. A cold front moving up the New South Wales coast brought a temporary end to warm spring temperatures, with rain and strong winds expected to last for a number of days. The front swept across the southern and central coast of NSW overnight, reaching the Illawarra just before midnight and Sydney in the early hours of Thursday. After recording temperatures about 28 degrees Celsius for the past 8 days, Sydney's temperature plummeted on Thursday. The city was blanketed with cloudy skies and pelted by steady showers throughout the day. The temperature was 15 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Winds up to 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour along the coastal fringe were forecast until Thursday evening. Sydney is set to experience showers for a number of days. The Bureau of Meteorology is forecasting a medium chance of showers on Friday, slight chance over the weekend, and a high chance on Monday. A number of outdoor AFL Grand Finale events are set to take place in Sydney on Saturday, including at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Senior meteorologists from the Bureau of Meteorology said the front on Thursday brought a strong windy southerly change, with people in NSW walking to a much more wintry day. A total of 78 mm of rain was recorded at Thredbo, up to 80 mm about the southern slopes, and 95 mm at Tuma Dam. The front is linking up with an extensive rain band stretching back across southern Queensland into the Northern Territory. Tropical moisture is streaming in from the northwest and fueling the moderate rainfall across eastern NSW. The rain is expected to move north throughout the day, with thunderstorms possible across parts of the state and hazardous surf warnings in place for the Hunter and Sydney coasts. The front is expected to continue generating widespread falls of 20 to 50 mm, which may cause water over the roads, blocked drains, and reduced visibility, Bradbury said. Rain is expected to move into northern NSW on Friday, with drier conditions in the south and inland. But Bradbury said a low pressure system may develop off the coast on Friday and linger over the area until Saturday. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.